Well, I moved to Las Vegas in July of 2009, from Battle Creek, Michigan, actually. I have family here in Vegas and moved here and been loving Vegas ever since. I was working, had a great job, and I woke up one day, I had been in the hospital for 4 days. I had been in a coma, didn't really understand what was happening. And my wife explained to me that I went to bed and had a seizure, took me to the emergency room, and after that I lost my job because I come back to work, lost my insurance, and we were really having a hard time. And a friend of mine mentioned this place, Volunteers in Medicine, and I gave you guys a call. You took me on as a patient, and it's been a huge positive impact on my life. Okay, I was without health care probably about 2 or 3 months, and I had quite a bit of medication to take and no way to pay for it or get it. So it was a pretty dire situation that we were in. I feel that Volunteers in Medicine has provided me a second chance in my life. I was looking at my health as really being out of control. My finances were bad, and you guys have provided great health care, have got me off some of the medications, and I have a positive outlook for my future. Thanks to you guys. A close friend of mine who was in the same situation a few years back when I was doing great, had big money, and she lost her job being sick. And I helped her out financially. And when I got in that situation, we were just talking as friends, and she said, well, look, I have this number, this place you could probably call, because, I didn't have any insurance, and, she was doing good at that time, and I was doing, bad. So she told me about you guys, and here we are. First time I came to the clinic, they act like they already knew me. I felt like a personal connection with everyone here, from the security guard to the receptionist, the doctors, the nurses, the pharmacy. When I come in, they call me by my first name, and they always make me feel welcome. I never feel like I'm imposing on them. I always feel like I belong here. And something me and my wife discussed is we're gonna make sure in the very near future, we're gonna be volunteering and offering our services any way we can, because it's been a huge help for us. Coming here has helped me in many ways. First thing is that my health is a lot better than it was when I got here. And I'm on a lot less medications. I have a positive outlook. So it actually has gave me a roadmap to the rest of my life not being sick and negative, and I do have a good positive outlook on everything looking forward. So the way I feel about the doctors here, again, they feel like family. They feel like they really are concerned. They don't just come in and examine me, they ask me questions, they listen to the answers. And when I see them on the next visit, I can tell that they remember me, and they ask me, well, what about that last situation you were dealing with? So I just feel like the doctors go above and beyond. It's almost like they're getting paid and the other doctors are volunteers. It's kind of the way I look at it, because they're like assembly line here. I didn't feel a real connection. Since here, I feel like I belong here. So I love it here. I still have many medical issues that I'm dealing with, so I'm trying to get myself into the position to get back to work, because I was a lineman for 25 years, climb poles, that's what I love to do, and I just don't think I can do that anymore, but I'll still hopefully soon be back employable. I'm surprised that more people don't know about this place. I am so shocked that this service is available, and I know it's needed, and it's made a huge impact on my life. So the biggest thing I think is that people need to know about this place so they can help, contribute, and stuff like that.